Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this video I'm going to tell you 14 ways to make your wife love you more. Before beginning, please subscribe to my channel so that your sister gets motivated to make more videos. Okay, let's begin to the topic. In Islam, building and nurturing a loving and strong relationship with your spouse is encouraged. Here are some ways to enhance your wife's love for you, based on Islamic teachings. 1. Kindness and respect. Treat your wife with kindness, respect, and compassion at all times. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "The most complete of the believers in faith are those with the best character, and the best of you are the best in behavior to their women." 2. Communication. Engage in open and honest communication with your wife. Share your thoughts, feelings, and concerns, and encourage her to do the same. This fosters understanding and closeness. 3. Spend quality time together. Allocate quality time for bonding, sharing activities, and enjoying each other's company. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, spent time with his wives and engaged in conversations with them. 4. Gifts and acts of kindness. Express your affection through small gestures, gifts, and acts of kindness. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Give gifts to one another, for it removes rancor from the hearts." 5. Support her dreams and goals. Encourage and support your wife's aspirations, whether they are related to her personal growth, education, or career. 6. Express your love. Verbally express your love and appreciation for her. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, showed affection towards his wives and often expressed his love for them. 7. Help with household chores. Be proactive in helping with household responsibilities, demonstrating teamwork and a shared commitment to maintaining the home. 8. Be patient and forgiving. Patience and forgiveness are virtues in Islam. Show patience in challenging situations and be willing to forgive mistakes. 9. Physical intimacy. Maintain a healthy and loving physical relationship within the boundaries of Islam. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, emphasized the importance of satisfying each other's needs. 10. Pray together. Engage in acts of worship together, such as performing prayers, reciting Quran, and making supplications. This shared spiritual connection can deepen your bond. 11. Consult and make decisions together. Involve your wife in family decisions, seeking her opinion and guidance. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, consulted his wives in matters of importance. 12. Gratitude and thankfulness. Express gratitude to Allah for the blessings of your marriage and your spouse. Gratitude can enhance your appreciation for each other. 13. Maintain family ties. Treat your wife's family with kindness and respect, maintaining positive relationships with them. Remember that love is a two-way street, and both partners should contribute to nurturing a loving and harmonious relationship. The key is to follow the teachings of Islam, which emphasize compassion, understanding, and mutual respect within the bounds of